Okay, we are having a controlled spill with 4 ounces of gasoline. We're going to give it a minute of absorption. It's been 1 minute of evaporation. 2.5 pounds ACT Terra Firma. Applied generously to the gasoline spill. That one wet spot, the one down here. We add a torch to it, no ignition. Vapors are controlled. There's not anything igniting. We're brooming up the excess ACT Terra Firma with the gasoline in it. The Terra Firma has been swept into a pile. We are trying to ignite the gasoline area. Now we are trying to ignite the pile of gasoline absorbed ACT Terra Firma. No ignition anywhere.